International Basketball Federation is honored to induct Mr. Toni Kukoč as a player into the 2017 class FIBA Hall of Fame. Congratulations, Toni.
Thank you very much. You just ruined it for me with your speech. And then, Coach, I don't know what can I say. I want to congratulate all you guys on the induction. I think it's a great honor to be here. I think I was pretty lucky with this game of basketball because I was born and raised with some of the greatest coaches. Back then, they shaped me as a player that I was and as a person I am right now. So, just going to mention some of them: Late Krešimir Ćosić and Slavko Trnić and Moka Slavnih were my coaches in Jugoplastika, and with my national team, obviously Svetislav Pešić, Duda Ivković, who's here with us, and Pero Skansi were my coaches for the national team. And then I had some really good coaches as well in the NBA, as Phil Jackson and George Karl. I don't want to mention any of my teammates because that's all well documented, but I had some awesome teammates, and especially in Split with Jugoplastika and the Chicago Bulls. And the better we played, the crazier it was. And we always had fun. I would have mentioned my teammates from the national and national team of Croatia and Yugoslavia as well. What else to say? Obviously great memories with these guys on and off the court, and I really thought we worked hard on the game, and kind of again got lucky that everything paid off. I want to say thanks to my mom and dad, Ante and Radovka. Hope my mom feels better. And I can't read it right here. It says, do not forget to say this. To my wife, you can guess who said this. To my wife Renata and to my kids, thank you very much for your support, and you are my all-star.
Congratulations, Toni Kukoč. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that concludes the first part of the induction ceremony. We will resume after